Deadlifts are great for the entire posterior chain development, but you need to know how various deadlift variations target the different muscles of your legs. Number 1. Stiff leg deadlifts. These are great for emphasizing your hamstrings. When you bend over and keep your knees locked, resulting in the relatively straight legs, you allow your hamstrings to be stretched at both the knee and the hip joint, which creates a lot of tension in the hamstrings. Next, Romanian deadlifts. These are my absolute favorite for growing your glutes. When you bend over and instead keep your knees slightly bent, you allow your hips to be pushed back further. This creates more range of motion at the hip joint, which consequently targets your glutes the most. Lastly, sumo deadlifts. These are great for targeting your adductors the most. When you take a wider foot stance, you place your adductors in a stretch position and your glutes lose the capacity to move the weight. This results in the most of the tension being placed on the adductors instead of the glutes. Try these out and you'll notice the difference right away.